So let's look now at how to add a site contact. That can either be done from your project directly, or you can come over here to all site contacts, and that's going to show you a list of all the site contacts that you currently have registered and all information you hold about them. If you want to edit a site contact, you come over here to the three dots, click on it, and then you simply click edit, and then it will open up the form so you can edit the information you hold about them. Particularly useful if you want to start copying in the site manager on relevant emails. So to add a new site contact, we'll come over here to the plus button, and then we'll add the site contact name, their telephone number, which isn't mandatory, but when you send a order to a supplier, the site contact will be shown with their telephone number. So it's always advisable to add one so that the driver can give them a call if they have any issues. You then have to decide if you want to copy your site contact into purchase orders and other relevant information or not. If you say yes, it will then allow you to add an email address. And then all you need to do is hit add. If you ever need to remove a site contact, you can do that via this button here.